wasting time and money by pulling battery calculations when you're adding new communications to an existing Fire panel? The PowerCom Fire is a universal UL fire-rated communicator that comes with network, LTE, and a power supply all built in. This allows you to not have to pull power from that existing Fire panel. That means you will not have to resubmit those battery calculations. The PowerCom Fire is in a red enclosure to meet all those Fire UL requirements. It also uses contact ID capture to be able to grab all of those alarms, supervisories, and trouble signals and send those on to the central station so you never miss any messages. For more information about the PowerCom Fire, be sure to reach out to your local DDM or check it out at dmp.com. Thanks for watching.